Stop making these mistakes when managing your Google Ads budget. Today, I'm going to cover with you 7 Google Ads budget mistakes which are draining a hole in your wallet. So if you ever feel like you've got a Google Ads campaign, but your Google Ads budget is vanishing, and it's vanishing faster than a magician's wallet, you're not alone. So we've seen a lot of situations whereby people are throwing their money into Google Ads and hoping for a miracle in return. But what if I told you that there are at least 7 sneaky budget destroying blunders silently undermining your Google Ads campaigns right now? And these mistakes are so common that they may as well be invincible. But don't worry, I'm here to shed some light on the hidden pitfalls and guide you on how to launch your Google Ads campaign so it becomes a profit generating machine. So fasten your seatbelt and keep your wallets close to you and prepare for an eye-opening journey, because by the end of this video you'll be a master of managing your Google Ads budget. So hold tight, and before I do continue, my name is Ajay Dhunna. I'm a Google Ads specialist. I've been running Google Ads for the best part of 20 years. What would be really great is if you can hit that subscribe button, because 80% of people who regularly consume my content are not subscribed to my channel. So what would be absolutely fantastic is if you could just hit that subscribe button and join my channel. So when I do produce new content, you'll be the first to be notified. So here goes. The 7 points that I'm going to discuss with you are as follows. Point number 1, setting unrealistic budgets. So underestimating costs, which means that not researching your average CPC, your cost per click for your target keywords, and setting a budget that's too low, which ultimately leads to limited reach and impressions. At the same time, overspending without a plan. So setting a budget without a clear strategy or goals can lead to wasted ad spend and ineffective Google Ads campaigns. The second point is not allocating budget strategically. So what I mean by that is distributing budget evenly across all campaigns or ad groups is what is a common mistake a lot of people make. So failing to prioritize your ad groups based on the potential of the conversions or the performance can lead to missed opportunities. So what that really means is that if you have got a budget, let's say for example if your budget is £100 a day, what you should not be doing is allocating. And if you've got £100 a day, if you've got 10 campaigns, don't just allocate £10 per day per campaign. You've got to really think strategically as to which campaigns deserve more budget and which campaigns you're going to hold back the budget on. And following on from the second point is neglecting mobile budget. So in today's mobile first world, under budgeting for mobile ads it will significantly limit your reach. So you've got to make sure that whatever budget you have got allocated, you do take mobile into consideration. Point number 3, ignoring budget pacing and scheduling. So spending budget unevenly throughout the day or week is a fundamental mistake. Not only your budget pacing or scheduling features can lead to missed impressions during the peak times, or overspending during low traffic periods. So you've got to make sure that your budget is allocated whereby you're going to get most of your conversions. That's where most of your budget is going to be set. And if you think that, hey, there's a certain hour of the day or a certain day of the week whereby you're not going to get more of your conversions, reduce your budget during those. So it makes total sense to do that. Also, failing to adjust budgets based on performance. So sticking to a static budget regardless of performance campaign is ultimately going to prevent optimization growth of your campaign. because what you should be doing, you should be regularly looking at your campaigns, seeing what's performing and putting more money into what's performing in terms of driving your conversions or your sales or your leads or whatever your goals, objectives are for your Google Ads campaigns. Point number 4, not utilizing bidding strategies effectively. So manual bidding strategies without proper optimization can lead to a drain in your budget. So manually managing your Google Ads budget, you need to be considering factors such as the device that your campaigns are going to be shown on, the locations, the day parting, and all these. If you don't take these into consideration, especially when doing manual optimization, these are going to lead to inefficient spending of your Google Ads budget. Following on from that is choosing the wrong automated bidding strategy. So selecting an inappropriate bidding strategy for your campaigns, for your campaign goals, can again result in overpaying or under delivering. Point number 5 is neglecting budget testing and experimentation. So not testing different budget levels and allocations, and what that means is sticking to one budget without experimentation, which is ultimately going to limit the ability to identify optimal spending levels for your Google Ads campaigns. Following on from that, failing to adapt to changing market conditions. So what that means is not adjusting your budgets based on seasonality, competitor activity, and other external factors which are going to hinder your Google Ads performance. Point number 6 is ignoring budget alerts and notifications. And what that means is missing out on budget alerts can be absolutely detrimental. So failing to monitor your budget alerts can lead to unexpected campaign pauses, or even worse, overspending your budget throughout the day or throughout the week. Again, following on from that is not taking action on budget notifications. So if you've got a budget notification set, so you need to stop ignoring warnings about low budget or high spend that can prevent proactive optimization of your Google Ads adjustment. So what you can do, one way we can do this is installing scripts within your Google Ads campaigns, which you can dictate how much budget you need to be allocating on a daily basis, and these scripts can then send out alerts to you to say, hey, you're overspending or underspending or whatever. If you want to know more about this, get in touch with me. Our contact details will be in the description below. Point number 7 is focusing solely on budget, neglecting other campaign elements. Now, over optimizing for budget efficiency, you need to be careful of this, because obsessing over cost metrics without considering factors like ad quality, relevance, and targeting, these are going to ultimately lead to a subpar campaign's performance. Following on from that is failing to invest in creatives and landing pages. So allocating all budgets to ads without optimizing landing pages and creatives can hinder your conversion rates and overall campaign success. So there you have it, guys. So I've unveiled 7 of these fundamental budget mistakes that a lot of people are making. They overlook them, which ultimately leads to your budget being totally wasted. Now it's time for you to take charge of your Google Ads campaigns and achieve a lot of greatness. So remember that budget management isn't just about saving money, it's also about unleashing the full potential of your advertising efforts. So by steering clear of these common pitfalls and putting our discussed strategies into action, you're well on your way on becoming a Google Ads expert. So in summary, here's your roadmap. Firstly, audit your campaigns, quick spot checks, and rectify any budget related issues. Number 2, harness the power of optimization. Make the most of advanced bidding strategies and budget pacing tools. Number 3, experiment and learn. Just keep experimenting, keep learning. So fearlessly explore different budget allocations to find your winning formula, and that requires a lot of testing. Finally, stay vigilant. Keep a close eye on your performance and adapt your budget accordingly. So remember, success in Google Ads hinges on knowledge, action, and a sprinkle of creativity. Your budget won't just be an expense, it'll be your driving force for your excellence. Don't forget to hit that smash button and subscribe for more marketing insights, and share your Google Ads challenges in the comments below. So tell me what sort of challenge that you've had within your Google Ads campaigns, especially when it comes to managing budgets. If you want to learn more about Google Ads, please get hold of a copy of my book. It's called How to Win Customers with Google Ads. It's a #1 best-selling book. It's free. The only thing you got to do is to cover the postage and packaging. And please, guys, do remember to hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications button, and that's going to help me to send out these videos to more people. Take care, and look forward to seeing you on another show. Goodbye for now.